Now that the radiator guards are installed, it's time to install and protect that cylinder head using the Evotech cylinder head guard for Ducati Multistrada V4 lineups. Mainly, in this video, I'm installing it on the Multistrada V4 Rally to protect that gorgeous engine from stones or any debris that may possibly nick or damage that V4 front cylinder head. Also, in this video, I will show you what you need for installation. Well, after this intro. And this is the moment, the unpacking of this cylinder head guard for Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally by Evotech Performance. Yeah. So here, as recommended by Evotech, to add a copper grease, but I don't have a copper grease. What I have is this anti-seize silver grade. It's basically almost the same thing. So what I have here, I have this rubber grommets or rubber spacer, 3 pieces of M5. I'm going to prep that, adding this or applying this thread locker. All I need is a there you go. Time to install this rubber grommets. Based on the instruction, I only need 2 rubber spacer, so here it is. I think one here. Just look for the round hole, because these are hexagon, I believe. So just look for the round one to insert this rubber spacer. Make sure that the thicker one is facing the cylinder head. There you go. And this here, it's easy to find the circle when it's at this side of this guard. Before I install this, I need to remove 4 bolts of my exhaust manifold. Okay, so based on the torque spec of this 4 bolts that I will be removing, this and the one on the outer side here and here. This 4, like from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4, the torque spec is 10 Newton meter or 10 Newton meters, and equivalent to 7.376 foot-pound of torque. So I set my torque wrench, and let's see if it's right. Yeah, it's right. There you go. So time to remove that. I'm using a 8 mm hex, top one. So I think I don't need to apply a silver grade anti-seize or anti-seize grease, because Ducati has it already. Oh, and here I'd like to arrange my bolts the way I remove it from this. Like I've said, I'd like my bolt to be arranged. See? Because I'm gonna put it back from where they belong. Okay, so when installing this bracket, make sure that this, if you can see this is like a nut where the thread is. This one should be facing the cylinder head. It's like this. You can see the bend below. It's not like this. It should be like this. There. There you are. And I'm gonna place the bolts now. I shouldn't. Again, 10 Newton meter or 7.376 foot-pound of torque. Okay. I'm going to start here at the top. Wait. That's it. And here. That's it. It's better to follow the right torque. Okay, that's it. And last one. And that's it. Now time to install the cylinder head guard. So if I follow the instruction, it says slides here and slide down. No. Just be careful when installing this. Again, I would like to let you know my bike is still at 1 kilometer. I just rode it around the block, like more or less 400 meters. So I need to install this before I do my break-in period. There you are. I'm here, lying down. Not gonna tighten that. I'm gonna set this first. The one okay. Let's see if it's centered. Before I tighten this guard. Is it centered? Okay, I think time to tighten the bolts. There you are. I think that's good. Not too tight, or I will break the thread. I think that's good. That's good. Alright, so don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, and feel free to leave a comment. Soon, I'll be right back.